Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. And in today's video we are going to talk about something pretty damn awesome from the 90s. This is the Top Fighter stick. This is the arcade stick, or this is the stick for your arcade experience on your Super Nintendo or your Super Famicom. So however I understand, this is made in Hong Kong back in the day. It's a pretty unique one. I have never seen it before. So I was checking on Marktplaats. I love to buy these old peripherals for your Super NES or Sega. And I came across this one for a pretty good deal. So I was thinking, man, I need to buy this one. I need to check it out for the YouTube channel. Because I love arcade. So right, let's do a little bit overview. What are we going to get? So the joystick. First of all, I didn't know what to think of it. If you hear the sound, it's got a nice touch to it. Don't get me wrong, but wow. The button itself is a pretty unique layout if you ask me. The buttons got a very nice touch to it. Well, like, let's say micro switch buttons beneath it. So that is very nice. And this, I'm very curious if this is going to give you this arcade feeling to it. And here we have this pretty damn big display. This is a piece of software in this thing that you can reprogram buttons. For example, these three. Very nice, very cool. And it also has a turbo function. So in other words, if you, let's say you want the B button to be turbo, you're pressing auto, then you press the B, that's it. And here in the LCD you can see it's going to get mapped to a certain button. So very nice. I got a lot of extra features. I'm going to try the turbo function. I really love to try it out. And alright, let's go. Alright people, I hooked it up to my Red 3 Plus. I did some testing of course before making this video, and man, this thing is awesome. This sound. Alright, let's play a little bit of Final Fight on the Super Nintendo. The buttons. Very nice touch. Alright, let's see the jump button. Wow, starting good. That sound. I must say, the thing responds very nice. The buttons has a very nice touch to it. Alright, this thing has turbo buttons, so I think it's time to map my punch button. Alright, let's see. Auto, this button. Whoa! Turbo Final Fight! Da 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 da. Run into my fist. My fist of power! I dare you! Come on! Oh man, this is awesome. Oh, I love this stick. Final Fight, one of my favorite SNES beat 'em ups. Alright, let's try an adventure game. Shooting button. Ow. I totally forget what that one. Ow. Ow, ow, ow. maybe I can repair myself or something like that. Oh crap. Oh, that was pretty damn nice. Time for a shmup, people! Alright, start button is over here. Whoa, what just happened? What just happened? We got the missiles again. It's a fun shoot 'em up. I love the music of 2 Unlimited. Mixed in 60-bit. Pretty damn nice. I never knew this as a child. There was a game. Alright, I'm done with this. Alright, for this part we are going to try a fighting game, because I think these sticks are made for fighting games. Alright, I'm very curious, how is the stick responding to this? Alright, I'm going to choose Ryu. Ooh, he was a go. Oh, I noticed the turbo button is still on. Or not? Oh, I have this slide here still on. Oh, I must say all the moves come out instantly, so this work, the stick itself is very nice. So for fighting games, I don't know if there are any other sticks for the Super NES, but I think this thing is pretty damn nice. Yes, very nice. I can enjoy this game like the old school arcades with this Hong Kong arcade stick, or the Top Fighter QQ. Yeah. Let's say just Top Fighter. Yeah. Blah. So I was thinking, if we're having this arcade stick, can we learn him to, let's say, do the special moves? So, alright, we're going to set, let's see if I can, program 1, set button 1, so it's learning now. Let's see what happens. So I'm pressing this one and does the move. Alright, let's see if it works. I didn't know if it's, there's no change, no, there's no training option in this. I'm hoping that I have the punch button, otherwise it's not going to work. Alright, so I'm pressing this one. No, it's too slow. It's way too slow. So basically, I made this mistake. Let's set it again. Alright, I think I need to do it quicker. Did it work? Alright, this time it's faster. Let's see. Oh yeah! Oh, let's see. Come on. Go away. Yeah! Oh my god, this is freaking awesome. You can reprogram the stick that is just using your super move. Oh, that is really cool. Alright, we're going to do another. Let's see, this is the kick button. This is a heavy kick. This is the heavy kick. Alright. What I'm going to do now, set second button. I think this is it. That's it. Yeah, yes, yeah, that's the. Oh no! I pressed. All right. All right. So, if I'm correct now, I'm pressing this one. No, it didn't work. It didn't work, I think. So at this point I have mapped 2 buttons. Shoryuken is here, and the other move is over here. Yeah. That's cheesy. But it's fun. Alright people, for the final conclusion about the stick, I must say I am pretty happy with it. If you can pick it up like me for, let's say, a couple of euros, I think it's worth it. It's a very cool experience if you can, let's play more like this arcade feeling on your Super Nintendo. Yeah, the stick itself, it's pretty damn heavy, it's bulky. The turbo button is cool. The program, that you even can program moves, that is very nice, that's very awesome. Also maybe a great way for, let's say, Mortal Kombat or something like that. So this is what you're going to get. Let me know what you think of this, I really love to know. Or maybe you already own one of these or you're having another version. Let me know, I really love to know. So I want to thank you for watching. And you know what I'm going to say. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the little bell. And if you're into gaming, check out the gamer channel. See you next time.